let's go ahead and take a look at another die state for it. Alright, so we'll go over to our die state on the block. So beforehand, we did the disable collider, but we delayed it by 4 seconds. I'm going to take this back down to 0 again. This time, though, instead of disabling the collider, actually, how about we do it this way? We'll disable the collider in, we'll say, 5 seconds. We're going to disable the rigid body, but we'll do disable rigid body in, we'll go for about 6 seconds. So what we're going to do is just kind of set up a little scene for it here. So it's going to disable it there. And then on the die for the offset, let's actually move this back so it's behind this one. Alright. And then let's turn on rigid body here. So we'll go over to our rigid body option, our physics, and enable it. Alright, and then the last thing we need to do, just to be able to see this is a working example. Actually, I think this will work by itself right here. Let's see. It has rigid body, collider off in 1. Okay, so this will work. So what's going to happen is we'll hit it, and then after 5 seconds, the collider will turn off, which means the object's going to fall through the floor. And then if you wanted to, we're turning the other one off in 6, but that way, if you wanted it to stop at some point, you could judge and find out where it needs to stop for the next part. 3 and 4. So then the collider turns off, physics still is on, so it falls down, and then it goes through the floor. Alright, and if you also notice, the offset went behind it instead of in front of it. Alright, so that's going to be kind of a basic on setting up multiple states for how it's going to do it on the disabling for collider and rigid body.